Hey y'all, it's Grace at Living Well Realty, and I am back in Sandbrock Ranch checking up on my client's build here by Highland Homes. And I am so excited to show y'all because we haven't poured slab yet, and I wanted to give you a look at what to see underneath the foundation. So let's go take a look, and if you are someone wanting to buy or build in Sandbrock Ranch or somewhere else, I would love to help you, so be sure to click that link and reach out to me, and let's go check out this house. Okay, as promised, I was able to make it out here before they poured the slab. I got sick, so I was a little nervous that I wouldn't get out here in time, but I'm so thankful that I was able to. So let's go take a look. Before we get up into the actual lot, I just wanted to give you a look at what is going to be your driveway. So as you can see, this is ready to be that left swing, so that means it'll come in on the left side, which has been so important to make sure that is correct. And we have that. We also have the sidewalk is going to be right here, as you can see. So this right here is going to be your sidewalk. So it's just going to connect to your neighbors right over there. And all of this that I am walking through, you can see these are like mini form boards, so it's similar to your house, they're just not as big. And then the rebar is also laid, so that's all of this crisscross metal right here. So all of this is your driveway, and then this leads up to your beautiful house. So it is going to be a little bit of a sloped driveway, which I know they told us when we first contracted. And then you're going to have another little sidewalk piece over here to your front door, as you can see. So exciting. And then I know last time I pointed out we have the form boards done, that pre-plumbing rough is done. There are a few different stages of the plumbing, so the first one is done. And there's also a lot of stages of inspections that they have to get from the city, and they have passed the one for this point, so that means they are ready to pour the foundation, which is super exciting. So all of this is going to be your stunning home. You can see that rebar is laid, so all throughout that crisscross, and the post-tension cables. Your plumbing is good to go. And this is gonna be a huge, stunning home. And then what looks like black trash bags, that is the vapor barrier. So that is gonna keep moisture in the ground, which is what we need. One of the biggest hurdles around here is the Texas soil because there's so much clay in there. But we are so close to pouring foundation. It should be within the next couple of days, and the forecast is looking great. So hopefully the weather will cooperate so that we can get this foundation for y'all. This update is pretty short and sweet this week, but I had to get out here to show y'all, and I hope it was fun and special seeing this one. Stay tuned for the next one. All right, y'all, I'm out here enjoying your future back patio. This is gonna be such a beautiful home, and I am so excited for y'all. The next steps, as I mentioned, are gonna be pouring the slab, and then we'll start framing. So things are going to move pretty quickly, and I am so excited because I know that y'all are ready to move into this beautiful home when it is done. If you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you, so be sure to click that link below, reach out to me, and until then, y'all stay blessed.